So I'm at my airport, just leaving. We've been doing some maintenance on my airplane, and we've got a strange occurrence here. That's Dave Sparks from Heavy D Sparks, taking off in his personal Blackhawk with 2 snowmobiles, presumably to head up to the mountains to do some snowmobiling. Probably. Down the window so we can get some sound effects. Probably bringing up the engine temperatures. It's cold here in Utah, 36 degrees. Not like in Texas. Well, there's 2 more helicopters out there in the distance taking off. One way to go snowmobiling. Well, anyway, I just thought I'd share.